The 13th edition of the Bazaar project is back at Hayat, and the collection has a beautiful mix from luxe to local. And for more collections, swipe left. If you're looking for gifting items and customizations, this is the right brand. Look at the themes that they've picked up for their customizations, from ice cream to jungle to cute nursery themes. Look at that. They customize everything. These are very pretty bhabhi lumbas, and then once you're done with Raksha Bandhan, you can convert these into beautiful bracelets. Just look at that. And then we have some mobile phone lanyards, जहाँ पे आप नवरात्रि में you can dance your way hands free. From envelopes to boxes to posters and the nameplates as well, you name it and they'll customize it for you. Look at the beautiful vibrant colors that they've used for their customization. Just beautiful. So if you're looking for something beautiful pastel and then there's more to it, let's see what ma'am has. Wow, something in spaghetti. Look at the colors. Very pretty.
Yellow one in pastel.
Something in butter yellow that's quite in trend with some ombre effect of pink.
That's a dress.
Wow, look at that. Look at the detailing. Lovely. Alright. Something from the vibrant collection. For all the brides out there, look at that. Wow, very pretty. I think purple, violets, lilacs all are in trend. Look at the pink one as well. Yes. And then something in green. All statement pieces, as you can see. Very pretty, very beautiful. Lovely. Look at all the color options that they have. Next up, we have a very beautiful jewelry brand that has some unique pieces. Just look at that. Very beautiful, very unique. And these are all 22 karat gold plated. Look at that. These are very nice. You also have some bracelets. And then just look at the stack of wooden pieces that they have.
Which bangles which are not in trend.
But it's up to one.
Waist chains. Vacation necklaces. और same here.
हाँ मैं वही उनको बोल रही थी. Line है तो ऐसे. Look at that piece. And this is a waist chain.
One more.
Something that she's wearing. Lovely. All beautiful collection. So this particular stall here offers a huge variety of neck pieces. Just look at that. Wow. Long में अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए, you want to wear something statement for your weddings, for Rakhi, you want to gift something, here you will find everything. And this brand, especially from Delhi, they've come here to exhibit. Look at the collection that they've got. Something like that. Wow, look at this piece. Something in multicolor. And they also have these ear cuffs that go all the way around in your hair. They have these long chains. They also have lovely bracelets. Something in earrings. Something in fusion earrings as well. Look at that. Something for your western wear. Look at all these pieces. Wow. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, so I'm Pooja. I'm from the Pot Company. I've come here from Delhi. Let me take you through my collection.
Lovely.
So this is something that I'm wearing. It's a very breezy brunch wear or an after party wear.
Okay.
I also have this in another color, which is like a steel sky kind of a shade.
Okay.
We also have more silhouettes in this.
Lovely. They have a lot of color options in this.
And then we have a signature snake print collection.
Okay.
So I have these with the same pants.
Beautiful. So you can make it like a quad set.
Yes.
Okay.
I also have this in a shade of black.
Wow. So they have shades in that as well. All right.
And then we have something which is like exclusively festive wear.
Okay. Something in festive wear also.
Yeah.
Lovely.
And in this we are doing something with corset belts, which are very in these days.
Lovely. This brand is specializing in lightweight, all handmade jewelry. All the pieces that you see are handmade and they are all unique. Just look at that. All very pretty, very beautiful. Some more. Look at that. All the pieces are handmade. All of them are beautifully crafted. Just look at that. From cute little footwears for children, just look at that. Some jutis to something for boys as well. Just look at that. They have a lot of collection for girls, boys. Look at all the collection. So pretty, so beautiful. Hello.
Just launched these bucket bags, something that I'm wearing. It's very versatile, crossbody.
Okay.
And we've got colors, tons of colors.
Lovely.
Then we've got card holders, back charms, rakis, everything we've sorted.
Lovely.
Then we go to embroidered bags.
Embroidered bags. Look at the options. Look at the choices that we have. I think you're going to be super confused while you're going to be here. It's beautiful. Each bag, look at that. Very cute.
It's the tiniest one that we have.
Okay. Look at that. And I think every piece is unique. This is for all the brides out there and for all those who love the color red. Look at that. And then we have something here in pink, something in a clutch style, something for card holders as well. And all these are back charms. Look at them. So pretty. And some rakis as well. Look at that pretty lady. Hello, ma'am.
हेलो नमस्कार, मैं रामीबेन ओखाई मीठापुर से आई हूँ जो द्वारका के पास है और हमारा ये पूरा बहनों का काम है जो पूरा हैंडवर्क का काम है जिसमें आप दिखाएंगे रबारी वर्क है जिसमें आपको ब्लाउजेस मिलेंगे, शॉर्ट टॉप्स मिलेंगे, कॉम्बो जैकेट,
Wow.
फिर ड्रेसेस रहेंगे अलग अलग सारे
Everything is quite chic, quirky, unique.
एंड देखिए ये पूरा हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी का काम किया हुआ
Wow.
और प्योर कॉटन रहेगा
Wow.
और
Very
सब में
good.
आपको एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल से डबल एक्सेल तक की साइज भी मिल जाएगी।
Okay.
आप एक बार आइए और ओखाई की विजिट करके जाइए।
जरूर। तो इनके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं। समथिंग इन कुर्ताज भी है इनके पास। लुक एट दैट। वाओ। लुक एट द कलर्स, लुक एट द प्रिंट्स। सारे वाइब्रेंट कलर्स हैं और बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं। From Piri Piri Makhana to a lot of munching options, this is the Cowboy Farms for you. So if you're looking for some healthy, no sugar options, look at all of those. Then they also have something in breads and dips and a lot more.